Okay, so this is about open house parking etiquette. We held a house open for sale this past weekend. Uh, Several of my agents were there, and it was busy. We had 25 parties walk through the house, and that's nice, but there should have been 26. Early on in the open house, um, an agent came with their clients. A lot of agents showed up, which is great. It's fine. It's open. But there was not a lot of street parking available, but there was ample parking in the driveway. Um, we could have fit 7, 10 cars if we used the whole length of the driveway. It was only a 1 car wide driveway, which meant that, there'd have to be a little teamwork. And aside from this one party, there was. And unfortunately, they parked like 1/3 of the way down, leaving this, wide gap of open driveway that no one could reach. And the cars started to kind of line up along the road, um, with only 1 or 2 cars being able to fit behind them. So while the agents were inside, I came out and I tried to direct traffic, and I asked them, could you move your car up? And they said, well, just be a moment. So I chit-chatted a little bit with the people behind them, and I apologized, and I said I would try and get them out as quickly as I could. And I went in and I asked them again, because the moment was starting to become like 20 minutes. And the long and the short of it is that the people waiting behind them, that 1 car, they left. So we could have had 26 parties come through. And while that seems like, kind of maybe a drop in the bucket, those were human beings looking for housing. And they didn't get to see the house because they didn't want to wait a 21st minute at the lip of a driveway of a busy street because an agent wouldn't cooperate and play nice in the sandbox with the rest of us. So if you're an agent, play nice in the sandbox. A little inconvenience on your part is better than alienating others. And if you are not an agent and you see your agent behaving like that, tell them to be better. So we're all in this together. Long driveways, parking, we can all be adults, but being selfish is not a good look.